Hi, and now I'm unboxing these two perfumes. One of them is from Calvin Klein, Escape for Men, and the other one is from Burberry, Touch.
Okay, can you show us the name? So ito yung una. Okay, for men, Escape. And the other one, ito. Okay.
It was like this.
Wow. So ito yun. O di, i-spray mo na sa'yo para maamoy natin. No? Try mo.
Smells nice.
Smells nice. Okay, yung isa naman.
Bilang kamay. Sabi niya. Tingnan mo sa kain. Bang, sarap. Ka-brand siya nung isa una, 123. Ibang nila. That's Burberry. Bako yan.
The other one is like this.
Nice.
I-spray mo rin anak para maamoy mo.
Sana. Gaginagan mo muna siya pinabagwag tsaka maamoyin.
So, nagustuhan mo ba anak?
Yeah, this one is better.
Yeah.
Paano makilala?
Ilagay na natin sa cabinet, ha? Ano nga ulit mga pangalan?
Burberry Touch.
Okay.
And Escape
Isa.
for Men.
So, yun. Bango siya. Bango.